Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson and it's Clean Slate Friday. Students, you know what that means. That means that you're going to look at all those assignments you've done all week long and you're going to make sure that you clean things up, okay? All right, but this morning I have my son Zaire with me and he finished up University of South Florida this week, okay? So I just kind of wanted to ask him a few questions about how did it actually fare for you to finish the semester remotely, and did it have any impact on the way you did things?
Well, I want to say first that it's extremely hard, especially as an engineering, as a computer science major in the College of Engineering, to first off do the courses that we do already. They're already extremely strenuous. So doing it online, there were some facets that was easier. It was easier to communicate and stuff like that with other people, especially with teachers because everybody's online. But the coursework did not change, and if anything, I think it was actually kind of worse because you're not getting the teacher to student or professor to student interaction that you're going to get in a usual classroom setting. And besides that, everything was just business as usual, just going about making sure that you're on top of everything, making sure that your time management is straight, and other things like that. So it changed a little bit, but if anything, the coursework just got harder. It got harder to keep up.
So as we go forward and this become the norm for us, for you guys to take all of your courses online, do you think there's something that you as a student will have to change? Will do you think you would have to change anything?
I think I would have to change just how I end up preparing for certain things. So for exams, for instance, I usually take a good 3 to 4 day period before exams to go through and just make sure everything is good. Because most of my lectures are videos, because I'm not going into the classroom specifically to do the work, I could have the choice to spread out more, but at the same time, I have to keep the same schedule as far as studying. So just mastering that balance between, doing what you want to do and doing what you have to do is crucial and very important in these times especially. It's more about your accountability now because you're at home making your decisions for your future. So.
All right, so I want to thank you for going to work with Gena. It's Clean Slate Friday. Do the things that you need to do, students, and I'll see you back on Monday, all right? And if there's any commercials that you've missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. Have a good day.